In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn on or off predictive text on Android. So for that, open the settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is simply scroll down, find this option for system and tap on it. Now after you do that, tap on this option languages and input that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings related with languages and input over here. Right over here, if you find the option for predictive text, you'll be able to turn it on or off. Simply toggle it on in order to enable it and toggle it off in order to disable it. For me, this option is not available. So what you can do is open the keyboard on your device. Now on the keyboard, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. What you have to do is find the option that says corrections and suggestions. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find various options for suggestions over here. What you can do is simply toggle off this button for word suggestions. After you do that, the word will no longer be suggested. This can be alternative for turning off the predictive text. Likewise, if you want to turn it on, toggle the button on. This can be the alternative for turning on the predictive text. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you turn on or off predictive text on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.